Do you need a fast and sweet snack that you won't feel guilty about? Bunicel offers you a range of jams and desserts that are unique taste combinations and low-sugar recipes. In this video, we want to present you an alternative to breakfast, or maybe to a healthy snack in general. Our jams are based on tradition, creativity, and authenticity. For example, green walnuts jam, peach, mirabelle, and cardamom jam, hot chili with blueberries jam, milk with dark chocolate jam, and many more. All our products are artisanal, made with farm-grown fruits and vegetables from local family farms. They are made in small batches, chemical-free, and no artificial additives or GMOs. All the production and packaging process is handcrafted using traditional methods. Bunicel is a family business that employs people from the underprivileged social environment. Our goal is to make sustainable products for healthy community. Please visit our website www.bunicel.com for more information.